Hey guys, let's see how to set up a Tapo home security camera. When you get the camera out of the box, you're gonna see this LED flashing red and green. If it's not flashing, you just need to use a paper clip like this one here and reset the camera. There are different ways to reset the camera. You see here, for example, you have this button that you just need to press and hold until you hear a message or you see the LED flashing here, okay? Let me just do this so you can see the way to reset if you need it. So just press here and hold. There we go.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
Okay, as you can see, there is a message saying that the camera reset was successful and the camera is rebooting right now. And you just need to wait and you're gonna see the LED flashing here, red and green. And then the camera is ready to the setup, okay? So there we go, it's flashing red and green. Now you just need to use an app. So here I have my phone. You can go here to the App Store or to Android Store if you use an Android phone and look for the Tapo app. Just insert here Tapo. Make sure you get this one, TP-Link Tapo. Install it, and then you need to create an account and log into your account, okay? I already have my account, so it's basically working. And then now I can just add a new camera. I come here to this plus signal, add a device, and look for indoor camera. That's the case for this Tapo C100, all right? Then I tap here, indoor camera, look for Tapo C100. And now I just make sure that's still flashing here, red and green, which it is. So I come back here and continue. There we go. Now I just need to look for the camera's Wi-Fi signal. Okay, so I just come here to my Wi-Fi. Select here and look for the camera's Wi-Fi. I'm not looking for my router's Wi-Fi right now, but the camera's Wi-Fi. You see here with a name Tapo something. You see here Tapo Cam, that's the one. So basically your phone is now connected to the camera and you can go back to the app to continue the setup, okay? There we go, it's looking for the camera. There's this nice animation. And now you just need to insert the Wi-Fi and password for your router. That's the idea. Now the camera is going to connect to your router, and so the camera needs to know which Wi-Fi and password to use. I have mine here already. If you don't see your here, just need to reselect, right? So just tap next, next again.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Now just need to give it a camera name, a location, and an icon, any icon that you want here. And there we go, the setup is complete, sounds good. And here, just dismiss. I have an SD card already. Here, the firmware update, and the camera is ready here. As you can see, Tapo C100, okay? Let me just put the camera back here, and then you can just take a look, okay? So I just tap on the camera's name, and it's there, working, okay? Let me just move the camera or the box in front of the camera so you can see that's working. Super, super good. Okay, and other thing that I have to do also is just have an SD card. I have already an SD card there, and I can just come here and go to the settings, and here you see advanced settings. Not here, but let me just make sure. Here, storage and recording. There we go. So here on local storage, you see that I have my SD card. It's good. And you can just format the SD card from here, okay? And you're good to go. The camera is going to start recording according to the recording schedule that we have here. For example, I have recording schedule to record every single day and every single hour by motion detection. You can change here if you want to continue the recording, for example. Let's say you want to continue recording at this time. You can just select that way, or you can have something with no recording at all, just like so. I'm not gonna save because I want to record every single day and every single hour by motion detection. Okay, you can also record sound, and make sure that you come here to the detection to just select the area that you want the camera to detect motion, and also enable motion detection. You can enable here and adjust the sensitivity, for example, and here also for person detection, camera tampering. If somebody blocks the camera, for example, put something in front of the camera can detect and start recording and even send you a notification. And you can also work with baby crying if it's your idea to have a camera monitoring a baby. You can just enable here, and the camera start monitoring by sound, not only by motion, but also by sound. And you're gonna see an alert, right? And if you want to receive a notification, just come here on notification, enable notification, and select what notification you want to receive. In this case, the type here, you can enable for each one of them, like motion, person, camera, and baby crying. And something important as well is make sure that I have the schedule here for all day, or you can for always, or for during the day, during the night, just the time that you want to receive notification. Okay. And one more thing here, to receive notification, you just need to make sure here on your phone that you have the app. Let me just come down here and look for the Tapo app. You can just come down or just search here for Tapo. Let me just come down and look. There we go, Tapo. And here on notification, make sure that's enabled. In my case, allow notification. And here the configuration that I want for the notification. Okay, so you're gonna receive them if you have this enabled. And then any motion in front of the camera or something, the camera will start sending a notification, as long as you are not in do not disturb mode, for example, because if you are, you're not gonna receive any notification. So make sure also that you're in a different mode here, that's not do not disturb. Okay, focus mode, for example, then you're gonna receive notifications. Let me just move the camera here. You see Tapo motion was detected. So pretty simple. It works like this with the notification as well. Super, super simple. So the camera is working back there, and now you can enjoy using your camera. So that's the way you can set up Tapo home security camera. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.